Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, regular business hours. Have you ever noticed that when you drive by so many businesses, you're driving down the street, and if it's kind of out of their normal business hours, maybe it's a little bit early in the morning and some of the workers are just getting started, you'll see them in the warehouse or off to the side. Have you ever noticed that it's an amazing opportunity and no one goes and visits? I know they go during the normal standard visiting hours. And I'm not certainly telling you to do anything illegal, but I've noticed that if you were able to stop by sometimes and talk to folks when it's not during normal business hours, but there's people around, it gets sometimes a chance to informally meet folks. You know, I was just driving by. This is the kind of building that we clean. In fact, we clean offices around here, and I didn't want to miss the chance. Yes, I even have old-fashioned business cards, let's say you say to them. Let me give you one. Steve, I'll tell you what, I'd love the chance to put in a proposal just to have on file for you. I could send it off to you, have it in your folder. That kind of conversation, sometimes in the hours that aren't regular, folks have their guard down and they're a little bit more relaxed and able to talk to you not so professionally, but more personally. Anyway, it's something to keep in mind. Again, I'm not talking about aggravating the business when they're not open and they're upset about that. But there are times when you see opportunities, when you see people or a business, and there's opportunities that say, hey, can I ask you something? Construction sites are a great example. People are starting early in the morning, but a lot of folks won't go until 9 o'clock in the morning or whatever, when lots of opportunities are happening at maybe 6:30 in the morning. Or maybe after closing when they're just shutting down about 5:30 and someone's locking up or you see someone. Just a casual conversation to introduce yourself as a person. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.